Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. iPadOS 14 Plus and Apple ID signed in so app clips can run securely. Once done, enable location and Bluetooth and make sure background app refresh is on. These speed discovery and actions. Now, locate an app clip trigger. Tap an NFC tag, scan the QR, open a Safari banner, or follow a shared link. You act immediately. Approach the NFC tag or open the QR camera. The app clip card appears at the bottom of your screen, ready to launch. When the app clip card appears, tap it to launch the trimmed app experience. This is fast and doesn't install the full app. Once open, use immediate functions like payments, sign in with Apple, reservations, or viewing essential info. App clips load only necessary code to save space. Make sure to grant temporary permissions when asked, camera for scanning, location for maps, or notifications for alerts, because these let the clip complete tasks. After finishing, you can dismiss the clip or keep it in the app library. To finalize, follow the prompt to save your result to the full app or install it from the App Store card if you want persistent access. Once done, you can review app clip history and adjust permissions under Settings App Clips. This helps manage privacy and storage. If the clip won't appear, make sure iPadOS is updated, check Wi-Fi or cellular, verify NFC and camera permissions, and then restart your iPad. This often resolves discovery or permission hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.